महात्मा गांधी ने जिस भारत का सपना देखा था, उसमें सिर्फ राजनीतिक आजादी ही नहीं थी, बल्कि एक स्वच्छ एवं विकसित देश की कल्पना की थी।
Mahatma Gandhi said, sanitation is more important than independence, and everyone must be his own scavenger. India is second most populous country and the world's biggest democracy. Our economy is the world's 10th largest and 3rd largest by purchasing power parity. It does not stop here. We are one of the fastest growing major economies and are considered a newly industrialized country too. We are reaching new heights of achievements, accolades and recognition in global community. As we continue to perform and excel on international platform, it's time to work on one of the most imperative and crucial areas demanding immediate attention within the nation, and that is cleanliness and sanitation.
जब हम सफाई पे ध्यान देते हैं तो उसके साथ साथ करीबन 8-10 चीजें सही हो जाती हैं। अच्छा। स्वास्थ्य में बहुत तब्दीली आती है। इसके अलावा जो हमारी जो वाटर बॉडीज हैं उनमें सफाई आती है, तो पानी में बड़ी तब्दीली आती है। तो बहुत सारे मुद्दे हैं जो इसके साथ जुड़े हुए हैं।
We all love clean environment, but very few are willing to actually work for it. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, initiated by our Honorable Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi, has raised new hopes and zeal in millions of Indian citizens who support clean, green India.
It's a great initiative by our Honorable Prime Minister. He has given this mantra, Clean India, Green India, Swachh Bharat, Swasth Bharat. Now we all have to come together and join our hands.
India is aptly called biggest open toilet of the world. According to UNICEF and WHO, about 1/7 of the world population still defecates in the open, in absence of toilets, of which 60% live in India. In rural areas, about 10% of houses have toilets, and rest of the people go for open defecation.
The common practice of defecating in the open is one of the greatest hygienic and sanitation issues that this country is facing. Every day, about 1,600 children die in India due simply to lack of clean water and lack of sanitation and hygiene facilities.
Open defecation causes serious health implications like typhoid, cholera, diarrhea, viral gastroenteritis, hepatitis, etc. Only 33% of toilets in the urban areas are connected to the sewerage system. Sewage from the rest flows into open drains, causing contamination of ground as well as river water.
See, today our rivers are getting saturated with the waste which is being pumped into those rivers. And with the amount of water which is coming, getting reduced, and more sewage coming, it's becoming an unacceptable load. If we prevent that, you simply see across the Ganga, how many big cities are there? If each city we can reduce the pollution load going into the river, at least one major chunk will be removed.
The problem of sanitation just cannot be handled with campaigns and awareness programs. It is time to use technology and advances in biological sciences to tackle this problem. And when we talk about technology and think tanks of our nation, just one name gets reflected: DRDO. DRDO, Defense Research and Development Organization, is working relentlessly towards making India a modern, self-reliant technology leader. DRDO has given many incredible technologies in various fields for armed forces as well as for civil sections. And one of its many breakthrough technologies, which have proved to be a revolution in the field of sanitation, is biodigesters.
DRDO and the defense, our defense is also conscious of the requirement of environmental conservation. So to minimize the pollution, taking care of the human waste, a DRDO technology which has been developed, deployed in Himalayan high altitudes. Now that has gone as a spin-off to the civilian sector.
Our army means strategically it is posted to high altitude areas. So their temperature drops to sometime to -40 or -50 degrees centigrade also. So whatever human waste is getting generated, that is just accumulating, because once the material is frozen, it cannot be degraded means scientifically. So there was the need that some technology should be developed which is suitable for degradation of human waste. Leh, where this actually glacier is not there, and Siachen glacier and all. So that's why this initiative was taken by DRDO.
So it saves water, it saves sewage, it saves pollution, ideal for smart cities. So whether it's rural, whether it's cities, whether it's our remote islands, I think this is the perfect solution.
Biodigesters are cylindrical or rectangular structures made up of mild steel or fiber or cement and brick construction with the provision of inlet of human waste and outlets for effluent and biogas. Fermentation tank is made of metal, FRP, and has the provision of immobilizing the bacteria in large numbers. Other methods used to treat human waste, such as soak pit or septic tanks, are not successful enough and need regular maintenance.
The effluent that we get out of biodigester is actually usable for many purposes, including horticulture and plant watering. As well as the methane gas that is being generated can also be used for electricity purposes.
DRDO has also developed an alternative technology called biotank, which is a variant of biodigester, suiting the requirements of common people in rural and urban areas. Biodigesters have an edge over other methods because of the following properties. It is very effective and eco-friendly, causes no groundwater pollution, no electrical power or chemical is required, 100% conversion of human waste into water and gas, that is, carbon dioxide and methane. It is odor-free. Pathogen reduction up to 99%. No sedimentation, hence no evacuation required for lifetime. Manual scavenging are totally eliminated by this process. No need of conventional sewage system. It is affordable and maintenance-free. Water can be used for gardening and gas for heating purpose. It requires one-time bacteria charging. Organic waste reduction up to 99%. Suitable for any geoclimatic condition. Bacteria can withstand a toilet cleaning agents.
The advantage of sewage, this biodigester technology, we can save approximately 50 lakh rupees per year and we don't spend any money on this.
Biodigesters can be easily customized with respect to geographical conditions, number of users, mobile or stationary applications, and the economic condition of the user.
Presently, we have 3 different variants of biodigester. One is for Indian Army for high altitude, low temperature areas. The other is for Indian Railways under mobile passenger coaches. And the third one is for civil application like in the plain areas of Lakshadweep and in the southern peninsula.
Indian Railways is one of the largest and busiest rail networks in the world with 65,000 kilometers of track, 7,500 stations. It traverses almost the full length and breadth of the country and carries over 3 crore passengers daily by engaging 60,000 coaches.
So far we have fitted about 15,000 biodigester on about 5,000 coaches. Our plan is that from 2016-17, whatever are the new coaches manufactured, they will be fitted with biotolerance. We want to fit all the coaches with this, and we want to finish the task in 2021-22.
Apart from this, low-cost single-house biodigesters have also been designed for rural sector of the country, which is long-lasting, requires a little space, generates environment-friendly, safe effluent, and does not require any maintenance.
They are being used in various places in India, and it's being used in rural area as well as urban area. In Premnagar Ashram at Hardwar, there is one DRDO bio-toilet is installed. This is for attached with 400 toilets. Around 800 people are using daily this toilet, and this toilet is working for the last 2 years efficiently and successfully.
They are bringing now the toilets for every school, for every village, for every public common place. I think rather than making toilets, they should take this technology developed by DRDO, and every toilet should be built as bio-toilet.
These bio-toilets can contribute significantly in nationwide cleanliness campaign, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, launched by our Honorable Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi.
We want this to be implemented across the country, not only in India, even across the globe. And we have also demonstrated the technology for the Red Cross Society and in Mongolia, and some other countries also have expressed the interest in taking the technology. Now we started propagating the technology as a global technology, Indian solution for a global problem.
गंगा मैया को पवित्र करने के लिए ये सिस्टम, ये बायो-टॉयलेट का जो है, ये बहुत अच्छा सिस्टम है.
In the area of sanitation, biodigester technology has great potential for improving hygiene and sanitation in rural and urban sectors and saving the lives of crores of people of the country, eventually improving economic condition of our country in the coming years.
Any technology to be impactful has to be ecologically friendly, economically friendly, as well as user friendly. Biodigester has got all the capabilities to do the needful.
FICCI is a partner to DRDO in this program. We are scaling this technology to last miles, and we hope to demonstrate the impact for society.
This platform creates that opportunity in identifying those technology, bringing the private sector partners who could use those technology to make the product and services available to the general masses.
I want every house to have a biodigester, a green zero emission signature, and cities based on this technology, each school having biodigesters, where I think every individual has his own dignity and cleanliness in the environment.
Let us all together work for a greener, cleaner and better India.